What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you have a Galaxy S10e, S10, or S10 Plus and you want a free case, you can actually get one from Totallee. And I'm going to put free case in quotations because the case is free, but you do have to pay for shipping. And I will link it down below, but Droid Life put this story up saying that if you go to the Totallee case website, and I'll link the case links down below, and at checkout, you put in the promo code GIFTED, you get a free case. And again, you just pay for shipping. And these cases are very, very minimalistic. I've reviewed them on my channel in the past. They're basically the thinnest cases you can buy for your phone. Not gonna give you a lot of drop protection, but definitely scratch protection and make the phone feel ultra skinny. Check them out if you want a free case and you have a Galaxy S10e, S10, or S10 Plus. Next up is all about the Galaxy Z Fold 2. We've heard that this phone was quote unquote delayed and wouldn't be seen or heard of or released during the Galaxy Unpacked event on August 5th. Well, it looks like we have a little bit of information on the release date and when it'll be announced. This comes from Ross Young, who I've interviewed for my channel. He's an inside source of everything, anything about screens. And he said, Fold 2 fans confirmed with my sources that it will be announced at Unpacked, although may not ship till as late as early October. Assembly starts in September. Also, why are leakers media saying 7.7 inch screen? As we said on 420, it is going to be 7.59 inches, no change. And then he shows again the 7.59, 22 by 13, 1689 resolution, 372 DPI, 120 hertz refresh rate. So I guess that's a little bit of good, a little bit of bad in there. The good being that it's going to be announced at Unpacked on August 5th. The bad news is we're probably gonna have to wait until late September or early October before it's physically in our hands. And the last story of the day, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We've heard it's going to have 120 hertz refresh rate, just like, where is it? My Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, and it will have it at 1080p plus. Let's talk about if there's any update to that. Well, this comes from Ice Universe, who said the latest firmware, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, has added an adaptive 120 hertz option, but there is still no QHD plus 120 hertz option. So what that means to us is that on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra phone, you'll be able to turn on 120 hertz refresh rate at 1080p plus, just like you can on the S20 Ultra, but there'll also be another feature on there that allows you to have the phone decide when it goes into that 120 hertz refresh rate, so it saves a little bit of battery life. So it still won't have the WQHD, aka 2K plus version of 120 hertz, but it'll have the adaptive version where it can kind of switch between the two and decide when it does. And that's the way iPhone does it on their iPad Pros. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is the Galaxy Fold 2 coming out too late for you to purchase now at this point because of that late September, early October release day? I'm still going to buckle down and wait for it because I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll wait. Let me know what you guys do. We'll see you down the road. Peace.